Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. I love you guys so much. So today I'm showing you my curly to straight hair routine. As always, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair put into 6 sections, and for leave-in conditioner I'm using Cantu's leave-in conditioning foam. I really like this because it's lightweight, moisturizing, and perfect for styles using heat. After that, I'll be adding a small amount of macadamia nut oil to make my hair smooth, soft, and shiny. Then I'll just be twisting the section back up and repeating the process for the remaining sections. I like to detangle my hair with a paddle brush and stretch while drying. This helps cut down the time while making my hair as straight as possible in the blow drying process. And for blow drying, I'm using a Revlon blow dryer on low heat with a dime size amount of 25 Benefits by Redken as a heat protector. Once the section is nearly dry, I like to go in with my Denman brush just to ensure that the section is as straight as possible. And this brush is meant to be used with heat, so I will link it down below as well. Now my hair is completely blown out and full as ever. Y'all, my hair has not been this long in a long time. So this is a testimony to trust the process for real, because the length will come. You just got to be patient and keep working at it. Next, I'll be using a hot comb to straighten out my edges a little more. This one's by Annie. I got it from my local beauty supply store. But this comb gets very hot, very fast, and it goes up to like 500 degrees. So be very careful and mindful when using it. Now I'm adding a dime-sized amount of marula oil serum elixir for extra added shine while straightening, and I will be using the chase method with a small bristle brush, but first I like to comb through this section to make sure it's fully detangled. The straightener I'm using is by High, and I'll link it down below because I got it as a gift, so I'm not sure where I got it, but I'll figure it out for you guys. This straightener goes up to 410 degrees, and that's what I have it set to right now because I have super thick hair. So yeah, I am just using the chase method with this. Again, combing through the section just to make sure everything is completely detangled, and then actually using my small bristle brush for the chase method. So yeah, this is basically what I do for my entire head to straighten it, and I will be showing you guys this process multiple times so you can get the hang of it for yourself. The last time I straightened my hair was like a year and a half ago, but I think I'm gonna incorporate doing this once a year just for trimming purposes. I don't like to make my hair bone straight when I do this just because I am too afraid of heat damage. I don't want it. Plus, I actually like my hair better when it has more body and volume, and super straight hair by day 2, I don't know what to do with it. Just want you guys to see how silky and shiny my hair looks right now. Like, I am legit shook in this length, y'all. Do y'all see this? Like, I'm way too hyped and way too excited right now. And we are finally on to the last section. I'm showing you guys my method one more time just in case you didn't catch it. You see, I'm using this bristle brush because it has more bristles than a comb has teeth, so make sure to grab every single piece of hair so it can be really straight. Okay, so this is it. My hair is all done for the most part. It is straightened. You saw I only went through my hair about once, maybe twice with the flat iron for each section. Like I said, I do not want a huge amount of heat on my hair because I do not want heat damage, and I don't like my hair bone straight. So now I will be wrapping my hair, and if you don't know how to wrap your hair, this is a mini lesson for you. I typically wrap my hair after I'm done straightening it and before I go to bed. You know, this is just the best way to kind of preserve your straight hair, at least as far as I know. Just wrap it up, put your scarf on, and go about your night. But yeah, this is how I wrap my hair if anybody doesn't know. So I am doing a silk wrap on my hair, and I will be wrapping my hair with saran wrap off camera. It's best to have someone help you with this part. I wouldn't try wrapping your hair on your own because it's just not a good look. So I will be sitting under the dryer. I'm using my Red by Kiss dryer. It's a hooded dryer that I got from Walmart. This is my hair nicely wrapped, and I'll be sitting under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Once I am done under the dryer, I make sure everything's dry, and I will simply remove the plastic wrap, make sure everything's good, and then I just comb down my hair from it being wrapped. It's funny, I spent all this time playing in my hair, and I actually put it in a ponytail after this video, but I wanted to show you guys how my hair looked, and it hasn't been straight in a while, so of course I had to play in it a little bit. But as you guys can see, my hair is super shiny. It looks really healthy. I know I need a trim, and I will be doing that. But these are the final results of my hair. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with a friend who needs their hair straightened or likes it straightened. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.